everyone, this video is about explore data types, fields, and values. The green part is what I have finished. So I take some notes. Let's look at the PowerPoint. Boolean logic example. Alright, let's take a look at three graphs. And means the how to say that, crossed the intertwined part. It's in the middle part, and it has both it has attributes from both sides. And order means this left part, right part, and the middle part. It means all. And not means either left part or right part. Anyway, just one term. Alright, let's look at this sheet, spreadsheet. Let's look one from up to down. It's easier to understand. For example, if color is gray, we'll write as gray true, red false, right? It means gray is true and red is false, right? So same as color is pink, we'll say pink is true, so black false, green false. And look at this, if gray and pink, then by. Alright, you have to have both attributes, gray and pink, then by. So gray true, pink true, this true, so by. Only one true, gray true, one true, right? One true, this is true, this is false, so it's false, don't buy. One false, one true, still false, don't buy. False, still false, don't buy. So the conclusion is that if both are true, the Boolean logic is true. If true and false, false. False and true, false. False and false is false. So and is that both true, that's true. The same as, look at this, the or operator. So if the color is gray, so gray true, the other color is false. If the color is pink, so pink true, black false, green false. If gray or pink, then buy it. So if as long as you have one true, then buy it, right? Both false, so false, don't buy it. One true, right? Buy. One true, right? Buy. Both true, buy it. So the logic is, if both false or false, false or true, true or false, true or true, true. And not operate. Not is only one item, right? It's look at this. Color is gray, so gray true. Color is pink true. The other top three is false. Boolean logic. Not pink is true, right? So not pink. So not false, true. Not false, true. Not false, true. Not true, false. Understand? And if gray and not pink, then buy it. So it means true and true, then buy it. Yeah? True, buy it. True, buy it. True, buy it. True, false, don't buy it. The logic, see that? The first column and the third column, both true and, so true and true and false. Let's look at data transformation example. Data emerging is kind of usual in work. For example, Mario is a plumber who owns a plumbing company. After years in the business, he buys another plumbing company. Mario wants to merge one customer information from his newly acquired company with his own, but the other company uses a different database. So Mario leads to the data compatible. It means a system can contain both datasets. To do this, he has to transform the format of the acquired company's data. Then he must remove duplicate rows for customers they had in common. Yeah, you have to keep the data neat, right? When the data is compatible and together, Mario's plumbing company will have a complete and merged customer database. Look at this. Another example. Data organization. Long to wide is two different. To make it easier to create charts, you may also need to transform long data to wide data. Consider the following example of transforming to wide data. What is long data and what is wide data? Alright, the long data is data where each row contains a single point. I just don't get it. But my understanding is very simple. If a name of a of a of a project like this, they repeatedly appear in a column. That is to say, in this one column, there are several same projects like AAPL 4 times, Amazon 4 times, Google. They appear repeatedly in one column. That's long data because this will, if they, you think about it, if they appear repeatedly, this must be make the spreadsheet super long, right? And what is they white data? If you just think about the name, if a spreadsheet is very white, it means there are so many columns, right? See, just look at one day. You can add more columns, more families to this spreadsheet, so it can be very long. When is wide data is preferred? When you're creating tables and charts with a few variables about each subject. Yeah, if you only have a few variables, you can use the wide data. So the spreadsheet can keep very simple to use. And comparing straightforward line graphs. Line graphs reflects the changes in a long term. So in a long term, you have to simplify as many as variable as possible. So you have to use wide data. And long data is those kind of spreadsheet where a single project appear repeatedly. Do you still remember? Yeah. If they have so many years for one project, you have to use long data because in this way they will appear repeatedly for 60 times. You can easily to compare stuff. If you, yeah, I don't want to complicate it. Let's just stop here. All right, we'll know it better in practical use. If I start to say too much, it definitely makes you confused. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.